G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today's April 29, 2023. This is the US dollar DXY update. We've got the weekly and the daily, and the weekly is showing a bearish momentum at the moment, and the daily likewise, although it's in a bit of a upswing on the CCI, and that's just saying hold off going short at the moment. So let me drill down for each of these. On the weekly first off, what this indicator down here does, it combines the moving averages of the price chart along with the moving averages of the CCI 150. And on the price chart, we've got the moving average 60 and the moving average 3 and 5. On the CCI 150, we've got the moving average 50 and a moving average 5. So when they're both in alignment, like they are here on the weekly, it says take predominantly short positions during that period. So going to the daily, again, the same methodology applies. You can see there it's just saying it's a bit uncertain because the CCI 150 is breaking to the upside. There's a possible up movement or upswing, so just hold off going short at the moment until that breaks to the downside again. But having said that, we need to respect these support resistance lines, the support at 10.050 and its resistance up here at 11.472. But we've also got this descending diagonal trend line, and it's been gravitating near that and bouncing down from that in the last period, since late last year. Now we've also drawn this Fibonacci retracement. It did bounce off the 38% level or near it, and it's gone to the downside. So at the moment, just avoid going long or short until we see the CCI here break to the downside and also the moving averages on the price chart. And if that happens, if it goes short again, that's where you would trade on the lower time frames. In this case, we're looking at the hourly. So the way you would trade that is whenever these candles break below the fractals, you would initially break, you would take a short position, get out with a small percentage or monetary gain, and wait for the next breakout, take another little entry, get out, and do that throughout the period. At the moment, we're on the daily, we're undecided, so avoid going short. But you can see here as well, it's still moving above the fractals, so maybe if it breaks below the fractal, just double check the daily, and if you're following this strategy, make sure that's breaking to the downside as well before taking any short trades. Otherwise, you might be risking going against the trend. Now, as well, we want to be careful. It may actually keep retracing to the upside on the daily, in which case we don't take any long trades because that's really against the larger time frame trend. We want to trade with a trend, primarily with the weekly and the daily. But you can trade only with a daily trend, but it's probably a bit more safe to trade along with the weekly as well in the same direction. So to understand how to properly trade this and other strategies, reference the links in the description below. Subscribe and support us on Patreon. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.